Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Turner. I'm here today of week 6, day 3 of distance learning. Today I'm going to go over the counting on strategy again in math. I taught you yesterday using dot cubes. Today we're going to use the Rekenrek. The number talks have gotten more challenging lately, so the strategy of counting on will be one I think that will help you when you're determining how many dots you see. So I'm going to start off with a lesson from your Monday packet, day 1, and the Rekenrek looked like this. There were all of the red dots, which is 5, plus 1 more. So 5 plus 1 more. We're going to count on 5, 6. So that was what was on the top bunk. The bottom bunk had 1 dot. So I'm going to pull that over. So this is what it looked like on Monday. 5 and 1 more. So you're going to count up 5, 6. I'm going to put 6 in your brain. And you're going to count up starting from 6 with 1 more. 6, 7. So the question is, how many dots do you see? 7. How do you see them? Well, maybe you see 5 and 1, and then 1 more. So 5 plus 1 is 7. Today's number talk looks like this. Are you ready? It's a challenge. I'm going to keep one of the red beads over and all the white beads. I'm going to pull this over for the top. So how many dots do you see? You see 4. The bottom has all of the red beads. How many dots do you see? 5. You didn't even have to count because there were all of the red beads used. Then there were 2 more. So we're going to put this 5 in our brain and we're going to count on. So 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. So we have 4 on the top and we have 7 on the bottom. Which is more? 4 or 7? 7's more. So we're going to put 7 in our brain and then we're going to count these on the top. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Shall we try this again? Let's do this again. We'll move them all back to resting. On the top, I had all of the beads except for 1. So I'm going to pull all except for 1. That's 4. On the bottom, I've got all of the red beads. How much is that? That's 5 plus 2 of the white beads. So we're going to count on to find out how many are on the bottom. We know there's 4 on the top. We're going to count on to find out how many are on the bottom. 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to use the counting on strategy to find out how many in all. Which number has the most? 4 or 7? 7 has the most. We're going to put 7 in our brain. 7. And now we're going to count how many are on the top. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 beads in all. How do you see them? Do you see 4 plus 7? Do you see 4 plus 5 plus 2? You're going to record in your notebook how many you saw and how you saw them. Don't forget also today, you're going to be playing the double 10 frames game again. And then you're going to get your counting booklet. And you're going to do the 14 and the 15 page. Later this week, you've got more number talks. Please use that strategy of counting on. You just decide which is more. You put that number in your brain, and then you count on from there to find out how many altogether.